Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my sidekicks for another video. This is Zena, I'm Laura, Wyatt's over here. You're gonna see him in a minute because for today I have not one but two bark boxes to share with you. Can't wait to see how excited the sidekicks get for these. But here's Wyatt, now he's getting worked up. See how excited they get about these boxes. BarkBox is a subscription for dogs, $21 a month for Wyatt's size. I do have them share. I decided to go to only do these once every other month because I know it's not like the favorite box on my channel. However, the sidekicks love it. Hopefully you guys have fun with it. So let's get right to it. Generally in each box you get two bags of treats plus an extra treat and 2 toys. You can always do add-ons, and it does go by the size of the dog. $21 is the cheapest, that's the smallest size, and then it goes up from there. I believe they also have a super chewer box for those that have dogs that destroy their toys immediately. So there are lots of options, and I love how creative their boxes are. So much fun, lots of fun themes. And I think that they've already forgotten what we're doing today. What do you think, Zena? You ready to do BarkBox? Zena's generally all about the treats and Wyatt is all about the toys. Let's do it. First one, what do you think? Squeak Away Camp. Oh, is the theme of the first one. Check that out. Squeak Away Camp. Zena, don't go. We have treats. Look. Look. Squeak Away Camp. This is adorable. So look at this first toy. Oh, marshmallows on a stick. Get ready to make s'mores. This is adorable. It says Gooey Chewy, the Twig Twins. That is so cute, Wyatt. It is a multi-part toy, 2 squeakers, crazy crinkle. I absolutely love it. So this part's the crinkle, this part's the squeaker. Wyatt, is that not adorable? What do you think, bud? What do you think? Zena, did you see that? That is adorable. What else have we got in here? This one is the Nap Bandit. Oh, this is cute. All right, so this is, looks like a little, it looks to me like a little, like raccoon in a diaper that would hide inside here. Like you put him inside here, Wyatt? Yeah, because he has like a little raccoon tail, doesn't he? Let's see how this is supposed to go. So it's a multi-part toy, 2 squeakers, crazy crinkle. That's what this is. This also has a squeaker in it. So this one is fascinating. I feel like I need to know. Where did my scissors go? Why did I take them inside? What do you think, Z? Oh, ow. All right, Wyatt will play with that and we'll figure it out. We also have treats in here. So the Nap Bandit, here's a picture of it right there. I know. There's the twigs. Then you could have got a hound, a campfire. I didn't show her the treats yet. I love the popsicle. Check out all the s'more. Oh, they have a begging for s'more. Look at all the other toys you could have gotten. These are so cute. It says, "Dear human, I'm having an amazing time at Squeak Away Camp. I've made a bunch of squeaky new friends and I'm up to my tail in treats. Gotta run. Last camper to report to canine cabin. Doesn't get any pug juice. Love dog. P.S. Could you send more underwear? I ate mine already." That's so cute, Zena. All right, you want to talk about the treats. So there's gobble jerky sticks, turkey recipe with sweet potato. I know that's what you wanted, right? That's what you wanted. So these are fun little sticks. I usually split them. There you go. And then there's also clucky jerky sticks, and these are chicken recipe with sweet potato. These look like they're a little bit thicker. All right, so those are so cute. I love them. That's the first box. Let's keep going. Did you like that, Wyatt? There's a whole nother box, buddy. A whole nother box. All right, this one is Space Jam, a new legacy. And this one says, welcome to the jam. Join LeBron James, Bugs Bunny, and the rest of the Looney Tunes for an epic adventure in Space Jam and a new legacy. The Toon Squad may have rabbits, a duck, and a pig, but there's one big fur ball that they still need in their corner, and we don't mean Gossamer. So come on, pups, it's your time to slam. All right, Wyatt already got one of them out. This is Tweety Bird. Oh, I love Tweety Bird. Wyatt's getting the treats out. Oh, there we go. So this is a custom squeaker basketball and a crazy crinkle. Tweety Bird. Tweety's singing a new tune. It goes squeak, 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 squeak. Whether it's time to fetch or take on the Goon Squad, this bird won't lay an egg on game day. All right, there you go. Oh, and that was Bugs Bunny. Check out Bugs Bunny. So cute. Has crinkles. Has a squeaker. A loud one, Zena. Space Jam. Says Bugs Bunny. This wascally wabbit came ready to play. He's stuffed with fluff, crinkle, and what's that? Ain't a squeaker. Custom basketball squeaker and a crazy crinkle. That is adorable. What did you think of this one, Z? Do you like that one? All right, and Wyatt also got out the treats. So these are, I know. Bark Eat Squad treats, pork recipe with bacon. Do you want to see what these are? Okay. What are these? Let's see. Oh, these are little square ones. There we go. Wyatt does pay attention enough to make sure it doesn't get passed up for treats. And then there's also Toon Squad Treats lamb recipe. There's no preservatives, and this is over 50% lamb, it's saying. And there's also a Chew Sticks grain-free beef recipe, small chews in here. Usually there's an extra one, so this one didn't have an extra one. This one I'm used to. There's always usually 2 bags plus an extra treat. So cute. They give you some play ideas here, as well as here's some of the toys in the other that could come in your box. How cute is that? I love the shoe. Is that LeBron James? Yeah. The Road Runner. That's all fetch. So cute. What do you think, Wyatt? You like all the new toys and treats now? You're set, right? You're set. You're set for another couple months. I gotta get my scissors and get all these cardboard off for you. Not that Wyatt seems to mind. Huh. All right. So I think Wyatt kept going off camera. Sorry about that since we're outside. But that's probably, I guess, June and July's boxes then. You like that? Yeah? Tell everybody thank you. Thank you for hanging with us. I'll put all the information for BarkBox down below in case you want to give it a try. Hope you had fun with us today. If you did, would love you to hit that like button. Would love you to hit that subscribe. And tell everybody thank you. And until next time, bye everybody. Yeah? Say bye.